Fax is a movie?
No, no.
That's good.
Well, you're sure there's that, but you know, so what's your point kind of thing? But the point here is, I think, that not only is the technology, but the growth in content is making it. Essentially, there are only so many data types, and the issues now are not so much handling data types, like data, layout data, text data, and so on. But the issue is information. It's a phenomenal amount of information out there. The issue now is content, and how quickly can I find the content I need, combine it with other content in the form I need, do the particular analysis I need on it, and move on. And as a result, the monolithic application is being chipped away because content is managed. The second is that as we start looking at technology which says, I don't carry all the burden of an application, I'm essentially component technology, and it can be freely combined with other technology, is the barriers of what a big monolithic application is beginning to get chipped away. So I do believe that we're at the point that we should, as a research and a development community, an application community, start to capture that stuff, move into a new space that hasn't been occupied. And I believe it's a space that says we should be concerned 100% with dealing with things that are around, like finding information wherever the hell it is, handling it as efficiently and consistently as possible, and allowing it to be combined and recombined as richly as possible without thinking about vertical application barriers. And I'll go into that with a few examples later on. So there's a shift from application to content, and from usage to involve. Deal says, you go to computer school or whatever it is, you have this concept of Microsoft teaches or different companies, and they'll teach you, what the sort of program manager looks like, maybe they'll teach you what OS looks like, and so on. And they'll teach you to deal with the handling effects of the allow you to sort of manipulate the affordances that practical users provide. That model's changing from one where you actually immerse yourself in a far more natural environment. Essentially, the seat is going to contour. The speakers have been moved to the side of your head, sort of things that controls are at your fingertips. And there's a closing in around you of not only the affordances, there's a richness, but the metaphor you deal with is getting far more familiar. And so, for example, how many of you, again, how many of you used to, okay, how many of you read the instruction? Yes, very good point. There's nobody, like one person gets through the instruction. I read the instruction too, but not a lot. Skimmed over and make sure I knew where the keys were, at the keys man. And then, I'm blown away, and again, we're ready to energize buttons. So, the point is that the environment is getting far more natural. It's coming from the game space and some of the online services space, and people aren't going to tolerate something that is very, very, that has that whole set of artifacts. those changes are driving new metaphors in user interface. We've seen some of that, and they require new technologies and tools. That's the business that we have to be in, delivering those new technologies and tools within that new metaphor. Just a few examples of these shifts. This, for those of you who want, was my favorite slide. Of course, you can't see the next thing. But this is a screenshot from the World Wide Web, the EMBO and broadcast Rolling Stones concert at Joe Robbie Stadium last year. And the point is that sort of an example in very, very low tech, and those of you who saw it were sort of sadly disappointed by the quality of the image and the audio. I mean, it wasn't, being there was better, I imagine. But the point is here, the issue now is it's not so much application. This is a very strong example of content you wouldn't have imagined to begin with. This is a pure PC almost as a targeted broadcast medium. I think there are a lot of inhibitors there, but this is a symptom of it. And in fact, beyond the huge wealth of online images as well as text and on the web is another example of this. This is sort of an extreme case pushing the envelope. This is an example. This is a game called Magic Carpet. Anybody played this? Okay, Magic Carpet, very cool game. It's the first game that isn't much use to you unless you do play it on a network. All the others sort of play Doom on your own, you play against the computer. But unless you play Magic Carpet on a network with other people, a lot of the fun of the game has gone away. And the point of this is actually an ad for it, but the Magic Carpet, it's pretty much a death and destruction game, sort of combined with some elements of strategies and adventure. But the point of it is that you're not the only one on the system when you deal with this. You're in fact seeing other people interact for the first time. And I think this technology is the harbinger of user interface metaphor that says, not only is your system yours, but as you move out to be on a system, you have to encounter the fact that there are other people. And they're not just the people who are slowing down the transmission of data through the node, but they may be people to be dealt with. They may be agents, agents of the play, but they may be people you have to deal with to make a purchase, sign a contract, and so on. Or you may negotiate with them at a very high bandwidth, like I need to negotiate with you about, so what to order for dinner or something like that. So there's a tremendous shift here, and the technologies that are delivering this kind of stuff aren't coming from us. We are not, this is a real shame that IBM is actually not the creator